Hi, this is David from over at simplymaya.com. Now, we've had a forum question from somebody who's modeling through our robot tutorial, so I thought I'd take the liberty of answering it here on this video in case anyone else was having a similar problem. Now, the issue is beveling, and particularly beveling this inside edge. So if we went to bevel, one of these outer edges, we should have no problems here, and just hit in bevel. Where are we? There we go. And as you can see, we get an edge bevel there, no problem. So let's undo that. Now, if we try and bevel this inner edge, nothing is going to happen, and there's a couple of ways to try and diagnose these problems. Now, this normally means some sort of bad geometry, and an easy way to look is to hit vertex face. And if we come in and look at the edge in question, you can see here it's actually a double edge. So we've got one edge here and one edge of 0 length here. Now, this often happens on a double extrude, just when you're modeling along. It's quite easy to get these additional edges in there. It happens quite a bit. So if we go to object mode, on this display you can't see they're there at all. And if we try and bevel this now, you'll see that nothing happens. It just won't do it because of that extra edge. So let me undo that bevel. And let's come in and get rid of the extra edge. Now, you could do this manually by just selecting the edge here. If I just go in and select this edge and then delete it. So let's just go delete edge. There we go. And then I do a vertex face. You'll see it's actually gone, but it's still all around here. So instead of doing that, let's get rid of them all at once, because you're never going to want a situation where you want these 0 length edges. So mesh cleanup. And let's fix by geometry edges with 0 length. Hit cleanup, and now if we do a vertex face, you'll see no extraneous edges. So right now, if we come in and select this inner edge here, we should be able to chamfer it just fine, or bevel it if you like. Yeah, so there's a chamfer, and if we increase the number of segments, there's a bevel. Okay, so your problem was just edges of 0 length. I hope this helps you. Any more questions, you can always get me on the forum. Cheers.